There are many people who help us. There are many people who work for us. Different people do different job and all are important for us. Our helpers. Now let us take a look at our helpers. Doctor, teacher, sweeper, postman, farmer, cobbler, policeman, barber, electrician, tailor, carpenter, watchman, plumber, mechanic, mason, washerman. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Doctor. A doctor treats us when we are sick. He also gives us medicine. Teacher. A teacher teaches us. Sweeper. The sweeper sweeps the streets and roads. Postman. The postman brings letters for us. Farmer. The farmers grow crops for us. Cobbler. Cobbler repairs our shoes. Policeman. The policeman catches the thieves. Barber. The barber cuts our hair. Electrician. The electrician checks electric wires. Tailor. The tailor stitches the clothes. Carpenter. The carpenter makes furniture for us. Watchman. The watchman guards our houses. Washerman. The washerman washes our clothes. Plumber. The plumber repairs water taps and pipes. Mechanic. The mechanic repairs vehicles and machines. Mason. The mason builds the houses for us to live. So friends, all of these are our helpers and we should respect them. Points to remember. We cannot live alone. We need help of others. Doctor, teacher, sweeper, etc. are our helpers. They make our life easy and comfortable. Match the column. On one side I have written our helpers and on other side I have written the work they do and you have to match them. Teacher. What does a teacher do? She catches the thieves? No. Yes, she teaches us. What does a farmer do? Farmer cuts hair? No. Farmer stitches clothes? No. Farmer grows crops. What does a postman do? Postman brings letters. What does a tailor do? Tailor cuts hair? No. Tailor stitches clothes. What does a policeman do? Come on, tell me fast. Do you remember? Yes. Policeman catches the thieves. What does a barber do? Yes, barber cut our hair. So, teacher teaches. Farmer grow crops. Postman brings letters. Tailor stitches clothes. Policeman catches the thieves. And barber cuts hair. Name our helpers. I have written activities our helpers do, and you have to write the name of helpers. Who repairs our shoes? Yes, fast. Yes, cobbler repairs our shoes. Who treats sick people? Yes, come on. Yes, you are right. Doctor treats sick people. Who sweeps the road? Who sweeps the road? Come on, fast. Yes, sweeper sweeps the road. Who repairs water taps? Tell me fast, who repairs water taps? Yes, plumber repairs water taps. Who guards our house? Remember I told you earlier? Yes, watchman guards our house. Who repairs vehicles? Come on fast. Tell me who repairs vehicles? Yes, mechanic repairs vehicles. So now let us revise everything. Who repairs our shoes? Cobbler repairs our shoes. Who treats sick people? Doctor treats sick people. Who sweeps the roads? Sweeper sweeps the road. Who repairs water taps? Plumber repairs water taps. Who guards our house? Watchman guards our house. Who repairs vehicles? Mechanic repairs vehicles. Match the column. Where do I work? On one side I have written our helpers, and on another side I have written where do they work, and you have to match them. Doctor. Where does a doctor work? Can you tell me? Garage? No. Post office? No. Doctor works in a hospital. Teacher. Where does a teacher work? Yes, teacher works in a school. Postman. Where does a postman work? Garage? No. Postman works in a post office. Policeman. Where does a policeman work? Yes, policeman works in a police station. Mechanic. Where does a mechanic work? Yes, mechanic works in a garage. So let us revise. Doctor works in a hospital. Teacher works in a school. Postman works in a post office. Policeman works in a police station. And mechanic works in a garage. In school, there are many people who help us. They do many things and all are important to us. We should respect all our helpers. Following is the list of people who help us in the school. Principal and teachers. Librarian. Gardener. Sweeper. Clerk. Peon. Watchman. Now let us take a look at each one in detail. Principal and teachers. Principal runs the school. Teachers help us to learn. Librarian. Librarian looks after the library. Students can borrow books from the library. Gardener. Gardener looks after the garden. He grows flowers and cuts extra grass. Sweeper. Sweeper cleans the school. He looks after the classroom and lawns. Clerk. Clerk sits in the office. He collects fees of students from the parents. Peon. Peon rings the school bell. He also carries official messages. Watchman. Watchman guards the school. Points to remember. People who work in our school have special jobs. They do many things to help us. We should always respect them. Match the following. On one side I have written our helpers in the school, and on the other side I have written the activities they do. You have to match them. Librarian. What does librarian do? Rings the bell? No. Grows the flowers? No. Librarian gives us library books. Gardener. What does gardener do? Gardener teaches us? No. Gardener grows the flowers. Teacher. What does teacher do? Yes, teacher teaches us. Sweeper. What does sweeper do? Yes, sweeper cleans the classroom. Peon. What does peon do? Peon rings the bell. So, librarian gives us library books. Gardener grows flowers. Teacher teaches in the class. Sweeper cleans the classroom. And peon rings the bell. Cross and cancel the wrong answers. Who guards our school? Watchman, librarian or teacher? Come on, tell fast. Watchman. So I will cancel librarian and teacher. Who collects the fees? Teacher, principal or office clerk? Come on fast. Yes, office clerk collect the fees. So I will cancel teacher and principal. Who is the head of school? Come on. Remember I told you? Yes, principal is the head of school. So I will cancel peon and gardener. So, watchman guards the school, office clerk collects the fees, and principal is head of the school.